We're about to kick off the last class of the year, you guys. This is one you won't want to miss. It's called Handmade for the holidays. It is all gifts, all giftable. We're even going to make these cute little snow globe light up ornaments. I'm so excited. Let's see what's in the box. So you have a 100-gram bottle of our original formula. You have a glimmer cure in an unreleased color and another glimmer cure in an unreleased color. You also have some of our frosting quick drip UV resin. We are going to be doing a DTF on the front of this lovely little globe. And we've got a silicone brush to mix your resin and glitter. Speaking of glitter, we have 4 different ones for this kit, which is a lot. We have a silver blue, we have Taste from our Sabrina series, we have an exclusive mix, and a wonderful holiday mix that you guys are gonna love. A micro brush, a double-sided blank key fob, which we will also be adding a really fun project pack from Moxie Vinyls to. Something really fun that we've never done before are watch charms. We're gonna be making 3 different watch charms, and we have several decals for you guys to pick from, or you can fill them in with glitter, totally up to you, but these are gonna be a lot of fun. We have a couple different metal ornaments for you guys to fill in with resin, this being one of them. And then we also have something really fun that we're gonna add some 3D elements to, this really fun snowflake. We're making some cufflinks, which are always good to have, and one of these amazing stainless steel adjustable heart cuffs, which is really, really cute. One thing the kids are gonna love, Santa's Magic Key. It's double-sided. One side will be for Santa's Magic Key, and the other one is a QR code for the Santa Tracker. That's gonna be a lot of fun for your littles. We're also going to be making 2 different faux leather bracelets. These each have blanks, and we have decals included that you can pick from, and then we also have glitter as well. Now, the star of the show, we are going to be making 2, not 1, but 2 color-changing LED ornaments that are snow globe shakers. So we're gonna make a stocking, and then we're also gonna make an ornament globe. And these are so stinking cute when they are done, you guys. As always, our fun little project packs are crafted in-house. So these are exclusive to Resin Rockers. You guys are going to get so many goodies in this kit. I hope that you will join us for our Handmade for the Holidays workshop. It's gonna be a blast. Hope to see you there.